is the elevator at the Brandon Center Hotel, Brandon, Florida. Very faint chime. Interlock. Dover Impulse RIPOFF fixtures. 1. Look at how flimsy that panel is. This used to be a Hampton Inn. Listen. Button doesn't go out till the door opens. Just look at the hallway. Typical classic older Hampton hallway. Elevator just left. It's probably built in the 80s if I had to guess. GAL rip-off buttons. This is kinda neat though, but total rip-off for sure. That sounds lovely. We'll end on 1. Leveling. And we'll get off here. There goes.